Welcome to BayCoast Bank's online banking. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to easily sign up for eStatements. Let's dive in and make managing your account simple and secure. On your online banking home screen, the navigation bar is located at the top. It allows easy access to features and sections with a click, like eStatements. To access eStatements, click on eStatements and More, and click on View My eStatements. To enroll in account eStatements and receive email notifications, please check the Receive Notifications box. Then click Next to proceed. If your email address is incorrect, update it in online banking and reconnect. Please review the PDF copy of the e-sign consent agreement. You must review the full agreement and then submit the acknowledgement code located at the end of the agreement. Once you make it to the end of the agreement, the acknowledgement code will be displayed. Enter in the acknowledgement code in the field at the bottom left of the screen and click Submit. The acknowledgement code will be verified and a new pop-up will appear. Click OK to continue. To complete your enrollment, please click on Accept located at the bottom right of the acknowledgement page. Upon successful enrollment, you will be directed to your eStatements history page, where you can access and view your current and past eStatements. That's it! You now know how to manage your account anytime, anywhere with BayCoast Bank Online Banking. If you haven't done so already, download the BayCoast Bank mobile app. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, managing your money has never been easier. Thank you for watching.